Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is creamy shrimp pasta. Make sure you watch this video from the start till the end. You are going to love it. So in my pot, my water is boiling. I'm going to add my pasta, and after adding the pasta, of course, I'm going to add salt. I didn't use all the pasta because I don't want it to be too much. Yes, so I added salt, and then I'm going to cover and let cook. And as you can see, I have my green, yellow, red bell pepper, onions, my shrimp, and some paprika powder, black pepper, and salt. So I'm going to add oil to the pan and then fry my shrimp. After frying the shrimp, I'm going to remove it and then set it aside and start the next process. So I added my garlic, and after that I'm going to add onions. I'm going to let it fry for some seconds. It's always good to add garlic to your food. So I added my red, green, and yellow bell pepper. I'm going to add a little amount of oil because the oil I added was not that enough. So I'm going to add my paprika powder, the same with the pepper, and also that's the cayenne pepper actually, and then I'm also going to add my black pepper later on. So I added my seasoning and I'm going to stir together and add the shrimps. So now it's time for me to add my already cooked pasta to the pot. I'm going to stir carefully, stir so that everything will mix together, and later on I'm going to add the heavy cream. Okay, it is called Schlagsahne in German language, but in English language is called heavy cream. So yes, I added the heavy cream. I added a little water to it to rinse off the heavy cream, like wash everything from the paper, like from the can. Okay, so yes, so now I'm going to cover to let cook for some minutes, and after cooking for like 5 minutes, that's it guys, my food is ready. I added a little amount of salt and then the black pepper as well guys. I really love black pepper in my pasta. Okay, so yes, that's it. After giving it a good stir, that's it guys, the food is ready. I added a little more black pepper because I like when my food is spicy. So now it's time for me to dish out my food and eat. Thank you so much for watching from the start till the end. I really appreciate you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok with the same name, Mama Triple N. Thank you so much. Please don't also forget to leave your comments in the comment section. Help me to share the video as well. Thank you so much, and I'm going to say bye for now and see you in my next video. All right, bye.